some moments are too precious to be forgotten, and some stories deserve to be told from a higher perspective. From the laughter of newlyweds to the golden fields of a farmer's harvest, from the thrill of adventure to the quiet beauty of a sunset, my drone becomes more than just a camera. It becomes a storyteller. A wedding isn't just a ceremony. It's a promise, a moment where two hearts take flight. Through my lens, love soars beyond the ordinary. Celebrations are the heartbeat of life. The energy, the colors, the emotions, captured from above, they reveal a grander story, one that pulses with joy and connection. But stories aren't just told in grand events. They are found in the everyday grind, the quiet resilience of a farmer nurturing the land. A single drone shot can unveil the poetry of hard work, the rhythm of nature, the cycle of life. And then there's travel, the road ahead, the horizon stretching wide, the world unfolding beneath my wings. My drone transforms landscapes into living paintings. Every frame, a memory in motion. Every shot is a heartbeat. Every frame, a feeling. Every moment, a story worth telling. And from above, I don't just capture life. I celebrate it. Because the best stories aren't just seen, they are felt.